Hello students, our today's topic is capital structure. Capital structure is very important to define in an organization because without capital, a business cannot run. So when we talk about capital structure, we will be dealing with two things. First, that would be debts, and second would be equity. When we talk about debts can be again divided into two categories. It can be loans or it can be debentures. When I talk about loans, everybody knows that loan can be taken from any of the bank. When we take loans, we have to give monthly installments. These monthly installments can be of two types, in which you pay interest as well as principal at the same point of time. When I talk about debentures have their fixed rate of interest, and whether the organization is in profit or loss, both will take their return in form of interest. Second comes equity. Equity is very important because equity holders are the owner of the business. So the business belongs to the equity shareholders. Why are we reading capital structure? We are reading capital structure to find that every equity shareholder get maximum earning per share. Now let's talk about why maximum earning per share. Earning per share is going to help you with the profits. It's related with profit. When you will earn more profit, the cost of the product should be less. If you have less cost and you have more profit, it is automatically going to lead to the profit to the equity holders. Equity holders are the owners. We'll go further. To determine this capital structure, as I have told you, we have two options. We'll go with equity or debts. Now let's see what equity demands. Equity always demands for dividend. Now what is dividend? Dividend is earning after tax. That means whenever you will have profit, out of that profit, you're going to pay off your debt holders, and whatever will be left, on that amount you will pay tax. And after paying tax, that amount will be distributed to your equity shareholders. When I talk about debentures always requires interest, indifferent of the fact that whether your organization is in profit or loss, debenture holders will always ask for interest. Same goes with loan. Whether your organization is in profit or loss, they are going to ask for interest. Now there is one more option you can go for, that is preference shares. When you go with preference shares, these preference shareholders also take the part of dividend, but this dividend percentage is fixed. The basic difference between an equity shareholder and a preference shareholder is a preference shareholder will always take the first part of dividend where his percentage is fixed and will never share your losses. Let's just get into the pattern on which a capital structure can be made. As I've already told you that always a business needs an owner, and an owner is always an equity share. So when I talk about pattern, the first pattern is equity shares only. When I say equity share only, it means that there is only single owner, the single proprietor is running his business and he is investing the complete money, so his money is going to be converted into equity shares only. The second option he has is equity shares with preference shares. When you go with the second option, you are the owner, as well as you try to get money from preference shareholders who's going to share your profit percentage. Third option is equity shares plus debentures. Again, equity shareholders are the owners, and debentures. Debentures are comparatively more profitable than loan. Reason being, once you take debenture for 5 years, in the final year only you're going to pay off the principal amount, otherwise not. And the last option is equity plus preference plus debentures, in which the business takes money from all the three options which are available. So when I talk, I'll just repeat it very quickly, that capital structure has 4 patents. Out of this, the company can prefer any of the patents depending upon the return it wishes to gives back. So I'll conclude, capital structure is basically equity, preference and debentures. Thank you.